morning, Evelyn Knights. Today is Monday, May 11th. And taking a look at our matrix today, it says we are going to read a Scholastic News magazine. It's called The World's Most Dangerous Cat. So it's the one with the cute little kitty on the cover. Who would think that this is the world's most dangerous cat? Looks just like a little kitty to me, but we'll read about it and we'll find out about it. All right, so if you would like to go ahead and get your Scholastic News from your folder, and then math today, we are going to be correcting the rest of the review that we did last Friday. And then today we're going to start our next chapter. We're going to start chapter 10, which is all about telling time. Wonderful. So you are going to get the papers that say, "Am I ready?" And then you're going to get your vocabulary card papers. I've already cut mine apart. And you will need a scissors. So if you want to stop the video and go get those while I go under the book camera, I'll meet you in a few minutes. Okay, welcome back. I hope we all have our supplies now. We are going to start with the Scholastic News. So your Scholastic News looks like this, the one with the cute little kitty. And I want you to take a look at the Scholastic News. Remember, when we talk about reading nonfiction, we always start with looking at the titles first. This is The World's Most Dangerous Cat. It says it may look cute, but this black-footed cat is a fierce hunter. It is great at catching animals to eat, but it needs our help. So we're going to have to find out what kind of help this black-footed cat needs. Here's his black feet, and that's what he's called. He's called a black-footed cat. All right, so then if you open up your Scholastic News, remember, we always start with looking at the pictures and reading the captions. And then you're going to read the headline or the title, and then all of the subtitles that you see underneath the big title. Here's some more pictures and captions. And then down here, there's a special little block of information down here. So it doesn't give us a drawing or anything, but it does give us this block here that I want you to read too to find out information about this cat. Okay. Now remember, you can read it on your own, or if you would like to go online, you can go to scholastic.com/SN2. So right here's the website. And then if you want, you can go online here. So I have Scholastic. I'm ready to go. It says your classroom password. Remember, your classroom password is Kite Ride 6157. No space. Okay, so Kite Ride, KITERIDE, no space, go right into the numbers, 6157. And then I'm going to click Sign In. Okay, it gets you to this page. Then you're going to scroll down. Remember, these are from April. So there's our dangerous cat. We're going to click on that. And then here is the information or the activities that you can do. Remember, this is how you can listen and read it together. Remember, when you click on it, you're going to click on level. And then here is the video that you can watch about endangered animals. Here are the vocabulary words. Find That Cat is a game that deals with punctuation, the period or the question mark. And if you want to do this, you certainly can, but you don't have to. All right, so this is how you can do it online. You don't have to do it online. We have included the paper that we want you to do in your packet. We want you to do both sides. The reading checkpoint, you're going to read the question and color in the circle with the correct answer after reading your Scholastic News. And then if you flip it over, here is some vocabulary work that we would like you to do. Okay, so that is your reading for today. Scholastic News. I always think they are so much fun and I learned so much about them. And as I was reading this, it doesn't tell me where the black-footed cat lives. So I actually Googled black-footed cat, and he lives at the southern tip of Africa. And look at how small he is. See how he fits in these people's hands? He's a pretty small cat. He's a little bit smaller than your house cat. So it was kind of interesting to learn a little bit more information about him. He looks pretty cute. Enjoy reading about him and endangered animals. Okay, let's take out our math that we had to correct from Friday. We did pages 581 and 582. So let's go over the answers. Taylor asked 12 friends to name their favorite number. 5 friends said 4, 6 friends said 1, 1 friend said 2. Use Taylor's data to complete the line plot. So 5 friends said 4. This is where it gets confusing. Okay, they had to say what their favorite number was. So their favorite number was 4, and there were 5 friends. So I'm going to underline that bit of information. So their favorite number is 4, 5 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of confusing when you think about a line plot. 6 friends said 1. So the favorite number is 1, and there were 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that had the favorite number of 1. And then 1 friend said 2. So the favorite number was 2. 1 person liked that number the best. So you gotta keep thinking about what it is you're actually finding information about when you do a line plot. Those are kind of tricky. All right, number 14. Now remember how I say I am 53 years old and I always draw a picture? I'm still drawing a picture. A tricycle has 3 wheels. A bike has 2. How many wheels are there on 4 tricycles and 3 bikes? So I made pictures of triangles because that reminded me of a tricycle that had 3 wheels because it had 3 sides. So I made my 4 tricycles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I gave each tricycle 3 wheels. And then if I just count by 3s, that tells me how many wheels there will be. So let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4 tricycles has 12 wheels. Now for the bike, I just made a circle for the wheel, and each bike has 2 wheels. There are 3 bikes, so I made 1, 2, 3 bikes. I put 2 wheels on each bike, and then we're going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6. Now it says, how many wheels are there on 4 tricycles and 3 bikes? So that "and" tells us that we're going to add. 12 plus 6, we know that. So there are 18 wheels on those bikes all together. All right, number 15. There are 4 giraffes at the zoo. Each giraffe has 4 legs. How many legs are there in all? Remember, in all tells us that we're going to add. All right, so I was thinking 4 legs, so that made me think of a square or a box. So here are my 4 giraffes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I add all those together and count by 4s, let's do that. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So color in the bubble that shows that there are 16 legs all together with those 4 giraffes. Okay, hopefully your work looks like mine. Flip the page over. We are now on 582. And we're going to look at different data analysis by our different graphs. Here's our question. How can I record and analyze data? Well, you can use a tally chart. So remember, we've got fruit, banana, apple, orange. There are 5 bananas because we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the slash going through it gives us 5. So we have 5 bananas, 4 tally marks for the apple, 3 tally marks for the orange. Okay. Over here it says use the tally chart to make a picture graph. So I'm just going to take the information from over here and make a picture graph